Today I am super excited to share with you how to use a face roller. This tool is not only beautiful but also packed with benefits for your skin. Whether you're looking to reduce a puffiness or to improve blood circulation, or you just wanted to add a touch of luxury in your skincare routine, then this video is right for you. When I wake up in the morning, my face looks so puffed up, my eyes are puffed up and I look like a different person. Face roller is something that helped me to depuff my face. I will be guiding you through a proper techniques and tips to get the most out of your face roller. So let's dive in and get rolling. Apply a few drops of facial oil. This will help the roller glide smoothly over your skin and enhance the benefits of massage. Now take the face roller and start with the larger end. Begin at the center of your face and roll outward and upward. Roll from the nose out towards your ears. This not only feels amazing but also lifts and firms the skin. Always use gentle pressure and let the roller do the work. Repeat 5 times. Roll from the center of your chin along your jawline towards your ears. This technique defines and contours the jawline, reduce tension and minimize the appearance of double chin. Repeat 5 times. Roll from the center of your forehead. Roll upwards and towards your hairline. This technique lifts the skin and promotes a youthful appearance. Repeat 5 times. Now roll from the center out towards your temples. This helps to release tension and smooth out any fine lines. Repeat 5 times. Next, move to your under eye area. Use the smaller end of the roller and gently roll from the inner corner of your eye outwards. This reduces puffiness and dark circles. Repeat 5 times. Finally, move down to your neck. Roll from the base of your neck upwards and towards your jaw. This encourages lymphatic drainage and helps to tone the skin. Repeat the same on the other side of your face. I hope you found these tips helpful and ready to incorporate this wonderful tool in your skincare routine. Remember, consistency is the key to see best results. If you find this video helpful, then do share it with your friends and family so that it will be useful for them too. I will leave the link of the Rose Quartz face roller in the description box. Do let me know how it worked for you. Until then, next time, take care. Bye.
ஐயோ செக் 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 மைக்கை கொஞ்சம் லேட்டாக ஆன் பண்ணிட்டேன், வீடியோ முன்னாடியே ஆன் பண்ணிட்டேன். ஆஸ் யூஷுவல் செக்.